Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30 days Python series. And in this video, we're going to learn about loops. Okay, so how we can use the loops. Okay, so we are going to learn about the for loop. Okay, so suppose if you are going to print the 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so one way is simply like you need to print and just your 1 like this. The same you need to repeat that code multiple times like this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so suppose 1 2 3 4. Let's just run this. You can see 1 2 3 4, but I don't want to write all that code. If I need to print till 100, then I can't write the 100 line of code. So how we can use the loops here? So it's simple, just remove that code and just use here for. Okay, for I in range where we can use the three things is like a start, a stop and a steps. So I just wanna print the 1 to 10. So that will print from 1 to the 9 until the 10 comes. So I'm gonna just here put that column and then enter and just print here the value I. Okay, and let's run this, how this will work. You can see that will start printing from 1 to 9 because we are using a 1 and the default end value is 10. But I want to print by 2, like suppose I want to print the 2 table. Okay, and I'm going to just start with the 2 and that will 2, but I want to count it till 22. Okay, so that will print till 20. Okay, so let's run this and let me just run this. You can see 2 4 6 8 till 20. Okay, it means it's a loop where we have defined one I. You can just print a also, there's nothing with that, it's just like a variable, just put it the same values here. Okay, so it's just an I is defined in every program. We just okay in the I in range. So range, in the range you define the values. Okay, first is like where we need to start, second one value how we can end it, and the third one is the steps, how we are counting it. If I will not use it, so that will print the value till 21. Okay, so let's run this. Oh sorry, the I here, let me just clear this and let's flip it like see 21, right? So this is the loop. Okay, in the Python, in the loop there's two things is like break and continue. Okay, so if you wanna stop that loop in the middle, then you can use the break. So how we can use it? So it's simple. Suppose print I is done. Now here I'm gonna do one thing, condition I'm gonna use here, if. Okay, if the I is double equal to 10, okay, then column I'm gonna use here the break like this. Okay, now let's see how this will print. Okay, so let's run this. You can see till 9 that printed. Start from 2 until 9 because once the equal I is equal 10, then break, it means that will stop the loop. Okay, now I want to do the continue. So what I'll do here, if I equal 10, then I will say here continue. Then what will happen, that will not print the 10 because after continue that loop again goes to for I here. Okay, so let's try this, how this will work. Let's run this. You can see we adjust, but after the 9 you will see here the value, after the 9 here's the 11 direct because that is not printing the 10 because what we have done, we have just used the continue function. It means after the condition is matched, we are gonna again move that code, we are again moving that execution to again the for loop, not we are printing here. Okay, so this is the break and continue. So this is the basic concept of loops in Python. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.